Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iCloud Drive shopping in iPhone storage after update iOS 17.4.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Update your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software Update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 2. Turn off and on SIM this iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Apple ID name. On the Apple ID page, tap on iCloud. On the iCloud page, tap on iCloud Drive. Turn off sync this iPhone. Again turn off and delete from iPhone. Then wait for few seconds and turn on sync this iPhone. Solution number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.